Hello friends, this is Ralfred UR15CS083. My register number is UR15CS083. I am going to display an experiment based on dynamic routing. So what have I done is I have connected N devices with a switch and a router. So that will make one of my LAN, and I have made 4 LAN address, that is the local area network, and I have connected with 5 router, that is each router connection will be wide area network. So total there are 8 networks. What I have done, I have already configured these N devices, router and switches. So for dynamic routing, if you want to ping or you can pass a message from this N device to this N device, then only the IP address of that will be known to the router. But in static routing, the difference is static routing, only this router has the address of this and then this, so it won't require for the whole routing process. Now if I ping supposingly 192.168.1.97. so I'm waiting for the reply, and it is working. So now I have sent this to this. The IP address was 192.168.1.97. I have already given these. I have configured these are the gateway. They have the IP addresses 192.168.1.30. For this one is this router, it is 192.168.1.62. so these are actually I have made subnets of each subnet for each LAN network. So they are actually a full network, and we have 8 networks in it. So I have to subnet these networks. So I've given them different IP addresses. So this one is pinging to the other one. That means it is passing a message to this N device, and that N device is giving the reply back to the sender. Now they have 2 versions in this. The first version of dynamic routing is you have to configure for all the N devices and the networks in the between. But in second version, just you have to configure this first LAN network and the last LAN network. So that will pass. Your message will pass. Hope you learned. I hope you got an idea of dynamic routing from this. Thank you for watching the video.